Hi guys, if you're looking for a free background remover without signing in anywhere or downloading a software, you are in the right place because I want to show you the built-in photo editor from Windows 11, and this one allows you to replace or remove the background as you wish. Let's go. First, open your picture, just double click or right click on the photo, open with photos, then click on the left top corner on edit. After this, just click on the tab background. And now you have three options to blur the background, for example. Here you can also change the blur intensity by putting the slider to the right. It will increase. If you put it to the left, it will of course decrease. And yes, the next one is remove. What I told you before, you can remove the background, and you have also a brush tool, same as in the blur section. With the brush tool, you can adjust it a little bit. You can get precisely if something isn't removed or isn't blurred like you wanted it to be. You can use this brush tool and enable it, activate it. Then you can also remove, for example, I don't know, the ear of this person, yeah? Just to show you something, yeah? Alright, as you can see here, it is removed now. Looks a little bit strange now, but yeah, I just wanted to show you what is possible. And yeah, if you want to click on replace, here you have the option to change the background you just removed to red, for example, or any other solid color you wish to have. You can change it as you wish. You can also make a green screen out of this. Alright guys, in the end you can just save it as a copy, so a second file will be created, or you can just save it in the same file. So this will be replaced, guys. Alright, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.